अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज का हमारा ऐसे है मॉर्निंग वॉक स्टैंडर्ड लेवल का। हेल्थ इज़ द ब्लेसिंग ऑफ अल्लाह। आ हेल्दी पर्सन कैन enjoy everything in life from dusk till dawn. Health is an important thing. Early to bed and early to rise is a cheap way to keep it up. Early in morning, everything seems very good to human beings. The cool breeze, the chirping of birds, the pure climate, all these are tonic for health. So, morning walk is a way to enjoy all these. Early rising and then morning walk gives everybody a chance to be fresh all the day. Morning walk is a way to know about people living in neighbor, a way to make new friends. It's a way to make our mind and body intact. It's a chance to take exercise without any charge. Natural atmosphere provides comfort to mind by working all the day and by the worries of life. Mind and body get tired. I also have the habit of morning walk to relieve myself. I get up early in the morning and go to the garden near my house after Fajr prayer. I walk there half an hour. The morning scene always make my mind strong. I feel the effect all the day. We should adopt this habit so that we keep ourselves healthy.